Hello, this is a quick video to show how to change color in Photoshop. I have an image download from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I click and drag this image into Photoshop to open the image. To change the color, firstly we can select the cloth. I will use Snacks and Color Range. And then we can use the dropper to choose the color. I click this and we can use Shift or click this icon to add the area of the color range. I shift and click. After doing this, we can adjust the fastness to adjust the area that we will select. I will keep it in 40 and click OK. So we have made the selection of the color range, but we don't want this area, so we can use the rectangular marquee tool and press Alt to subtract the selection. Now we have made selection of the cloth, and then we can go to the layer and go to the bottom. We can find the color adjustment. Click and hold. We can choose Hue and Saturation. And then in the properties, we can find the hue. We can click and drag to change the color. I will try to adjust it to red, and we can adjust the saturation, and we can adjust the lightness. And we can see the before and after. This is how we can change color in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist V. See you in the next video. Bye bye.